Hello, thanks so much for stopping by. Let me ask you, do you believe everyone in your work environment has the potential to become better? Do you believe that you have potential? I'm taking a course at the moment, and one of the tasks for this course is to ask people who know me fairly well what they perceive to be my biggest weakness. This has been very interesting for me because what I think my weaknesses are often not seen by others. They see other things, and this is important for me to know. The most interesting feedback was, your weakness is that you see everyone with their potential and you want them to use it as soon as possible. I had to smile because this statement is very true. Honestly, I can be a little bit pushy at times because I feel that we all deserve to have the best possible life experience. Mindset matters. I am a trainer and a coach, and an important part of my job is to see more in others than they can see in themselves. Yes, every single person has potential, and a coach can help individuals to get closer to fulfill that potential because it is helpful for all of us to have someone in our corner to encourage us and to hold us accountable. Having said this, not everyone is willing to go for it, and that's okay too, as long as the person doesn't complain about his or her life. Let's just imagine for a moment the impact it would have on organizations if every employee would improve by just 1% because they become better in managing themselves and their energy in challenging situations. That's why I encourage you to never give up on people, and even more importantly, never give up on yourself. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.